Our top story today, South Korea confirmed 384 new cases of COVID-19, a decline from recent days, but still on the high side. Hoping to curb the rising numbers, the government has implemented a ban on eating in certain public places and mandatory QR code-based registration to enter facilities. Our Choi Jeong-yoon starts us off.
No more popcorns in movie theaters, nor a simple cup of coffee in the library. One should now avoid eating in public places in South Korea or face a possible fine, as the government has adopted a new set of prevention measures. It applies to 21 places, including sports arenas, museums, private cram schools, PC rooms, and saunas. Previously, eating inside was allowed under social distancing levels 2 and 1.5. While the current systems will remain the same for another 2 weeks, the revised rule bans eating regardless of the level. However, there are exceptions. For instance, if a museum or other facility has a designated area for eating, like a cafe or restaurant, or when private partitions are installed in PC rooms to keep people apart. After a 1-week grace period, violators will be fined 100,000 won or around $90. On top of the no eating policy, entry to entertainment facilities like pubs, bars, and nightclubs will require an individual digital QR log. Submitting an individual phone number and address were mandatory, meaning that conventionally one person in the group could representatively provide the information. Now, each person in the group must write or submit a QR code to enter. Additionally, more thorough temperature checks will be conducted to restrict people with COVID-19 symptoms from entering, while there will be a person in charge of making sure the rules are enforced. To try and stem the spread, health authorities have extended until April 11th the Level 2 social distancing in the Seoul metropolitan area and Level 1.5 in the rest of the country. That means the ban on private gatherings of 5 or more people remains in place, with certain exceptions only, like pre-wedding gatherings of the bride and groom's families, which can include up to 8 people. Choi Jeong-yoon, Arirang News.